W mans of all W mans. King Dede. So basically, King Dede. So this is our second time. Let's see if cosmetics work now.
Yeah, hold on. Let's check.
Because there was an update, and they made the gorilla way more scary. So this is Fun Monkey Horror. I'm gonna buy the.
I want the sun hat.
Is everything 0?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I want the.
Aaron, purchasing the item, no money was spent. Select another item.
What? God damn it! It doesn't work either.
Whatever. Let's go, bro. Let's do it. Okay.
So I think they added a jump scare.
We both have 2 different spots. So this one's right here for me. What about you? He is literally right now touching you. He is literally banging you. He is right now banging.
Okay, so there's one right there by the slot. There's one. Okay, come here.
Yeah?
Come.
Yeah.
Come in my butt. Okay, so mine is right there. See, like right there.
And mine is right here.
I wonder how fast they are. One's literally humping right now.
I know.
They're trying to hump me.
I literally watched him, bro. He was like driving it.
I jumped too far!
Bro, should I just like drop down and run all the way over to you?
Yes.
Bet.
What are we not that fast? What are we?
He's literally coming after me.
Oh, yep. That means we have the same ones now. We have the same monkeys now.
How?
Because one was coming after you and it was on my screen too. And there was literally one on your butt.
Where was he? Bro, look at him. What is he doing? This one's right here, bro. He is like literally just. He's happy, bro. He's like. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna jump down. I'm gonna see how fast they are. Let's both see how fast they are. 3, 2, 1. I miscalculated my jump.
I don't know, bro. None of them came after me.
There's like one like right there for me.
Really?
Hi. Man, not again. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. When you die in this game, you get sent back to your home. Don't die. Back in that code, bro. I'm gonna meet you back in there. I'm probably gonna jump off stump in a little bit. Because that's how I end all my videos. Shout out to King Dede, he's hot. Where are you? Okay, I'm gonna make a run for it. Wait, I did? I didn't have my comments activated. Oh my god. Does it actually on my video? It's because it's probably because of my dad. He doesn't want big fat males commenting on my videos. You're such a stinky poo-poo head. I don't want to get any hate. I got so much hate on TikTok. I was really mad. I don't think people like me. Okay. I say we jump off. Get up, Stump. Get up, Stump. We're about to jump off. Blood. Okay. 'Ready. 2, 1, go!